Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and today we got Honor 10i smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, its design, its highlighted features, hardware specs, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. You can see that there is a branding and there is AI mentioned as well along with the name of the device. So Honor 10i comes with AI powered triple rear camera. So this is one of the hardware specs. Once again, Honor 10i branding, nothing on the back, nothing on the side. Here is some information that the device we got inside got 128GB internal storage, 4GB RAM. It's phantom blue in color. This is the model number. It's a dual SIM smartphone, and the SIM 2 can be used for the micro SD card, and the device is Honor 10i, not for sale. This is a special review unit. So let's open it and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Honor 10i in phantom blue. SIM card tray, ejector pin. There is no case or user manual provided, usually what we get inside this box. And here is the 10-watt charger and a micro USB cable. So Honor 10i comes with micro USB port, not the USB type C, and there is no earphone provided. So hopefully you will get more stuff in the retail box compared to what I got here. You will get maybe the case, user manuals, and also an earphone. So this is what I got: a 10-watt charger, a micro USB cable, SIM card tray, ejector pin, and of course the smartphone. So here is the Honor 10i in phantom blue color. Let's switch on the device. And while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the highlighted features of the device. That it comes with Kirin 710 processor, 6.21-inch Full HD Plus screen. The GPU used is Mali G51. It comes with 4GB RAM, 128GB storage. The battery used is of 3400 mAh in capacity. On the front side we got 32 megapixel camera. On the rear we got 3 cameras. I'm going to talk about them very soon, but first of all, let's skip all of these steps to reach the home screen first. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Honor 10i smartphone. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So as you can see that on the front side, basically what we got is just the screen. At the top we got the 32 megapixel front facing camera. The notch is really tiny. It's a water drop notch. Just above the notch we got the earpiece. It's in upward direction, and then there are some set of sensors as you can see, and the bezels are very narrow as you can see. Same, it's on the sides. You can see the bezel is very narrow. At the bottom we got a very little chin, and because of that the screen to body ratio is really nice. Officially Honor claims that it's around 90%. So with this screen resolution, the PPI you are going to get on Honor 10i is 415. On the right hand side we got volume rockers, power key. On the right hand side there is nothing. At the bottom there is micro USB port, speaker grill, 3.5mm audio jack, and a tiny microphone. At the top once again we got the microphone, and here is the SIM card tray slot. And this is a dual SIM smartphone, so SIM 2 slot can be used as a memory card slot as well. On the back side we got the fingerprint sensor, triple rear camera, flash AI camera, branding, Honor branding at the bottom, and the gradient color back panel. So you can see that at the top it's blue and at the bottom it's more of purple. The color variant we got is called phantom blue. So it got different hues and versions of blue, we can say. So it's looking really beautiful. It's so shiny, so reflective, and you can see that the color changing is nice as well. At some angles it looks totally deep blue, a bit blackish as well. At some angle it's more of purple. So the design of Honor 10i is pretty nice. It looks flagship, especially from the rear side. On the front the screen to body ratio is nice. The bezels are thin and contributing in the beauty of the device. The only drawback here is that there is no USB Type-C port, but once you hold the device in your hand, It feels good and it looks good as well. And now let's talk about the screen. Here we got 6.2 inch screen with 1080 cross 2340 pixels resolution. So the PPI we are going to get is 415, and that's a really sharp display. So even if I bring the screen so close to the camera, you will not see any pixelation. Everything is really sharp and clear. So the display quality of Honor 10i is nice and impressive, especially considering the price and segment in which it's launched. And the viewing angles are pretty good as well. It's nice, as you can see here, from every angle. And let's check how good is the brightness. So it looks bright enough, especially since we are inside the room, it's looking bright enough. But I'm also going to check the brightness of this device in outdoors in bright sunlight, that how good it's going to be. But at first glance it's pretty good, as you can see here. So the display quality of Honor 10i is nice. The display is sharp, so clear, and the viewing angles are good as well. So this is the home screen. Talking about the applications and features, you can have a look on all of these. That we got usual phone manager, themes, music that you will find on most of the Huawei or Honor smartphones with Emotion UI. Here we got Booking.com, Facebook. There is an application for Beta Club added as well. There is an Honor application added as well, and then we got all of the usual Emotion UI stuff. Here in the tools folder you will get some useful applications like FM radio, weather calculator, voice recorder, flashlight. You can access flashlight from here as well. So these are the stuff we got on Honor 10i. If you go to the settings, you will get more information about the device in the about phone section. So you can see that it's Honor 10i, there's model number. The Emotion UI version used is 9.0.1. It runs on Android 9 Pie. It is powered by Kirin 710F processor, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, out of which 115.55GB is free. So nearly 12.5GB is already consumed by pre-installed application, and the ROM, the Android security patch level, is of February 1st, 2019. And now let's talk about the camera. So as I have said, on the front side we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. And on the back side we got triple rear camera setup. So here we got a 24 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The rear camera is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 60 fps. So this is the camera user interface that you will get. You can see that Honor 10i camera comes with portrait mode, night mode, video. There is more. At the top there is AI logo provided as well, on which you can tap to activate it. Then there is moving picture, flash, Huawei's high vision provided as well. And in the more you will find features like pro mode, slow motion, panorama, AR lenses, light painting, HDR, time lapse. We will have a look on all of them in our detailed camera review of Honor 10i, but for now let's take some picture of this tiny little toy here. So I'm going to capture a few images in AI mode and some in without AI mode. So right now let's take some picture without AI. So the focusing speed is good, you can see. This is the image that we have just captured in AI mode. You can see that it got lots of detail. This was the focus and it captured lots of detail here. This part is out of focus, as you can see, but this part is in focus and showing lots of details here. This is another image that we have captured using the AI mode. This one is better with lots of detail and perfect focus, as you can see here. This is without the AI mode. Once again we tapped here for the focus, so this part is in focus, this is out of focus, a bit blurred. And then here is the last one, and you can see that once again it has lots of detail. Color saturation is nice here as well. At the first glance, the camera performance of Honor 10i is looking quite good. It's not so great, but it's still pretty good. And we captured these images in artificial light inside this room. So we will check in the detailed camera review of Honor 10i that how good it's going to be in different imaging scenario. but at first glance it's quite good. It's not so great, it's not bad as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because more videos of Honor 10i are going to be uploaded very soon. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.